My dear student, I am welcoming you to my YouTube channel Learning Island. So now I am going to discuss the sample paper solution for your term 2 examinations. The subject is math. So before this there are two more videos on these mathematics topics, video 1 and video 2, which are done on the part 1, part A and part B. So please watch those videos. I have given the description, the links in the descriptions. So now starts the session like this. So first of all, you see in this paper you will get the instructions. The instructions are like this, that the question, there is a 3 section in your paper. Section A contains 6 questions, each are having 2 marks, and section B contains 4 questions with 3 marks each, and section C contains 4 questions having 4 marks each. So let us now discuss the section C. The questions are like this. So this is the question number 11, the first question of the section C. So the question is that, always I am suggesting you to solve the question step by step. Here what is given? The internal and external radii of the spherical shell are 3 cm and 5 cm respectively. It is melted and recast into a solid cylinder. So what is that? First of all, draw a rough diagram of a spherical shell. You see, this is a spherical shell. So this is the internal diameter R1, and this is the external diameter R2. It is given. So here R1 equal to 3 cm and R2 equal to 5 cm. Now what happened? This spherical shell has been melted and a solid cylinder has been made out of this. So the diameter of the cylinder is given. The diameter is D equal to 14 centimeter. Means if the radius is R3, so R3 equal to 14 by 2, that is 7 centimeter. I will to find out the height. What is the height of the cylinder? Let the height is h. You know, as the spherical shell has been melted and made the cylinder, so the volume of the spherical shell will be equal to the volume of the cylinder. We will apply this principle here. So what is the volume of the spherical shell? It is 4 by 3 pi r2 cube minus r1 cube. As we know that the volume of a sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So this will be equal to what is the volume of the cylinder? It is what? Pi r square h. So from this, if we simplify this, pi would get cancelled, and hence h would be equal to 4 upon 3 multiplied by r2 cube minus r1 cube divided by r3 square. So if I put the values here, 5 cube minus 3 cube by 7 square. So 4 by 3 into 1 to 5 minus 27 by 49. So on simplification you will get the result. Now I have to find out in the second portion the total surface area of the cylinders, that is TSA. What is the TSA of the cylinder? That is 2 pi r into h plus r. So if we put all this data here, 2 into pi is given 22 by 7 into h we have got here, put the value of h, and r is 7. So by this you will get the result. So you yourself do the calculations. Please pause the video and try it, because you are not allowed to use the calculator in the exam center. So please do it yourself. Pause the video. So hope you have done this. So let us find the solution here. Here you will get all the calculations. So here also I have shown how the marks are going to be distributed, this part by part. So you know, in math there is a part number also. If you perform only these portions, you will get 1.5, and for this portion you will get half, 1, and for this portion you will get 1.5. So whenever you do any mistakes in the mathematics, never cut it, because you may get the part number. Okay, so hope you this is clear to you. Now let us go to the question number 12. In question number 12, it is given that prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact. What is said, you do it step by step. It is very easy. Suppose this is a circle, and from this point P, suppose center is O. So from point P draw two tangent. I have drawn two tangent here. So the length of two tangent is same. You know, if it is A, it is B point, and from that, if I draw here, if I connect radius, so this angle is 90 degree. We know that this is 90 degree, and I don't know these angles. So suppose that is O and P. So you know, from a quadrilateral, this is OAPB is a quadrilateral. So the angle sum of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. We know that this will be equal to angle A plus angle P plus angle O plus angle B. So here you know, angle A and angle B 90 degree. So this is 90 degree plus angle P plus angle O plus 90 degree. So finally I am getting 180 plus angle P plus angle O. So finally, and again on simplification, we are getting angle P plus angle O equal to 180. So these are supplementary. What is supplementary? If the sum of the two angles is 180, then they are called supplementary angle. So it has been proved here. What is the in the second portions? Two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O from the external point T. Prove that. So the picture is given here. So the two tangent is drawn like previous, so like this, and now we have to prove that PTQ, that is the angle PTQ, this angle is twice the angle of this OPQ. How will you prove that? So for this, let us, this angle is X, so this would be also X. How? Because these two tangents are equal, so this is an isosceles triangle. So in isosceles triangle, the angles would be same, which makes with the sides, same sides, that is the similar sides or the equal sides, you can say. So from this triangle TPQ, from triangle TPQ, we can write what? We can write X plus X plus angle PTQ or QTP equal to 180 degree. So X is coming 180 minus, if it is theta, so we can write theta, so by 2. So X is coming 90 minus theta by 2. Again we know this total angle is 90, so this would be, so the angle Q, angle O PQ would be equal to 90 minus X. Again we are getting X, so X is 90 minus theta by 2, so it is coming theta by 2. So OPQ PQ equal to half of PTQ. That means PTQ equal to 2 into OPQ. Proved. So I hope this is clear to you. So let us find the final solution here. This is the first part. Please pause the video and write it down. Here you see the mark distribution also. The mark will given like this for the picture diagram 1, and for these steps, so you'll get marks as in this way. So now this is the second part which I have already discussed. Please pause the video and write it down. Now let us go to the next questions. Question number 13. In question number 13, what is said? It is said that a guard stationed at the top of 240-meter tower. A guard, there is a powerhouse from where they trace the location of the ship. In the side, in the seashore, there is a tower from the top of which the guard locate the location of the ships. This is the powerhouse. So a guard stationed at the top of the powerhouse. What is the height of the powerhouse? If this is the powerhouse, the height of the powerhouse is 240 meter. From this, observe an undefined boat coming towards a clinometer, which measures the angles. Inclinometer is an instrument used for measuring the angles of slopes. The guard used the clinometer to measure the angle of depression of the boat coming towards the lighthouse and found it out 30 degrees. Suppose the ship is here in the sea. The ship is here. So guard, what is the depression angle? If you look at it from the top of something to the bottom, then the angle made by this, suppose this is the ship, so angle made by this is called angle of depression. This is the angle of depression. This is the angle of depression. So it is theta equal to 30 degrees. So this is also 30 degrees. Now we have to find out, make the level figure of the basis of the given informations and calculate the distance of the boat from the figure. So let the distance is x. The angle is given, height is given. So from this is a right angle triangle. So if it is A, it is B, it is C. So from the right angle triangle A, B, C, we get 10, 30 equal to 240 by x. Again 10, 30 equal to 1 by root 3. So 240 by x. So from here I can easily get the distance of the. So what will be the distance? The distance would be 240 root 3 meter. So the ship is at a distance of 240 root 3 meter from the lighthouse. So first one is done. Now after 10 minutes, the guard observed that the boat was approaching the tower and the distance from the tower is 240 minus root 3. Now what happened? I am again doing this. Suppose the boat was here and after 10 minutes boat comes here. So initially the distance was 240 root 3. Now it has come towards the tower house. So now the angle will be different. Now if the angle is theta 1, initially it was 30. Now let it is theta 1 and the distance, what? The distance given. Tower is the distance from the tower is reduced by 240 root 3 minus 1. This portion is 240 root 3 minus 1. So what will be this portion? So this portion would be 240 root 3 minus of 240 root 3 minus 1. So on simplification I am getting this is 1. So this will be 1 only. So 1 meter, this will be what? Not 1 meter, this will be 240. This will be 240 meter, and this is 240 meter already given. So now we need to find out what is the new angle of deflection. So if the new angle of deflection is theta 1, so this is theta 1, so we can again use, if it is a B, C, it is D. Again from A, B, D right angle triangle we can apply tan theta equal to 240 by 240. It is 1. So tan theta equal to tan 45 degree. So theta will be equal to 45 degree. So hope it is clear to you. In the next page I have shown you this clearly. Yeah, this is the case 1, first part. In first part the distance is coming 240 root 3, which I have shown you, and in the second part the angle is coming 45 degree. So hope this is clear to you, and so go to the next questions. The question number 14, what is that? Question number 14 is Nitesh was to participate in the push-up challenges. He can currently make 3000 push-up. So 3000 push-up is made by Nitesh, but he wants to achieve a target of 390. What is his target? His target is 3900 push-up in 1 hour, for which he practice regularly. With which day of practice, he is able to make 5 more push-up in 1 hour as compared to the previous day. If until his target is achieved, first day of practice he makes 3000 push-ups and continue to practice regularly in this target to achieve. Keeping the above situation in mind, answer the following questions. Form an AP representing the number of push-ups per day and hence find the minimum number of days he needs to practice before the day his goal achieved. You see, so first day he is doing 3000, second day he is increasing 5, so it will be 3005, and third day 3010 dot up to 3900. So here it is an AP, so this is the AP. Now the first term would be 3000 and D here would be 5, and last term, that is you can say AN, or you can last term it is 3900. So if the number of days is n, let number of days equal to n. So here we can apply the formula of AP. It is AN equal to 3, n equal to, formula is A1 plus n minus 1 D. Again it is 3900 equal to 300 plus n minus 1 D is 5. So from here, on simplification, we will get 900 equal to n minus 1 into 5. So n minus 1 equal to coming 900 by 5, that is 180. So n is coming 180 plus 1 equal to 181. As one day has already finished, so he requires more 180 days. So he needs 180 days more to complete or achieve his goal of 3900. So first part is done. Find the total number of push-up performed by Nitesh up to the day his goal achieved. Okay, now it means you have to find out the SN, total push-up done to achieve the goal. So it will be, we know the formula, and we know n here, so n by 2, you know the formula is a1 plus L. So what is n? N is 181 by 2 into 3000 plus 900. So the result you get, you just make the calculations after pausing the video. So I am showing you the final result. This is the final result here. So hope this is clear to you, and it will be really helpful to you, because you are getting the idea of the question which may come to your term 2 examinations. So please do subscribe my channel, and also forward this video to your friends so that they can also get the same idea and get a good score in the term 2 examinations. So thank you for remaining with me. I will see you again in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.